This evaluation was conducted during trenching works at Twin Palms, Sungai Long, under real job site conditions. The project required cutting 111.9 meters of reinforced concrete at a 4-inch depth to prepare a trench for sewage pipe installation. This was not a controlled environment. It was a live construction site with real challenges. A rented concrete cutter, operating at approximately 50% condition, was used for this task. In addition, the water supply to the blade was partially blocked, limiting cooling and dust suppression during cutting. Despite these constraints, the COOLMAN 14-inch PDA Diamond Blade delivered consistent and stable performance throughout the operation. The blade maintained an average cutting speed of 0.87 meters per minute, demonstrating reliable efficiency even under reduced machine support. Over the full cutting distance, the blade achieved a wear rate of 20.76 meters per millimeter, reflecting excellent durability and bond balance when cutting reinforced concrete. Throughout the operation, the blade remained structurally stable, with no deformation, no segment loss, and no abnormal vibration. The operator, with 2 years of on-site experience, was able to navigate uneven slab conditions and maintain accurate trench alignment, minimizing damage to the surrounding road structure. This evaluation confirms the resilience, precision, and cutting stability of the COOLMAN 14-inch PDA Diamond Blade, even when paired with suboptimal equipment and challenging site conditions. Built for real work, proven on real job sites. COOLMAN 14-inch PDA Diamond Blade. Performance you can rely on when conditions are far from perfect.